Hey YouTube, it's me Dior and I'm back with another video. As you can see by this video today, I'm just getting straight into it because one, I have work in the morning and it didn't take long to edit, but I was just like, I'm gonna do a voiceover because I wasn't gonna sit here and talk throughout my video while I was doing it because that would take forever. But as you can see here, I'm just showing y'all the wig that I got from Amazon. I paid $96 for it and it turned out so well, and I'm just realizing that I'm gonna be sitting here and talking for a little minute. But ignore my wig cap. I had another wig on and I just took the wig off and I was just like, I'ma keep the wig cap, but recycling. But yeah, let me skip. So I sped up everything in the video right now because there's no reason for me to be sitting here and talking for so long when it's quick. So in this clip here, I'll show y'all the wig and one of my little makeup bag because I was gonna color it because I didn't have no time to bleach it and I wanted to put it on before tomorrow. There's nothing special that I had to do, but I just wanted to put it on before tomorrow because I had to post a review and stuff, but right now I'm pretty sure that I'm just coloring the wig, and I felt like it wasn't gonna color properly, but the knots are super small, so it didn't even matter if I colored it or not. Even when I put the wig on, I still kind of colored it. You see my face, bro? So I put it on my head to measure my hairline. I was scared, bro. When I tell you, every time I put on a new wig, I'd be so scared. I'm like, bro, it's not gonna come out good. I'm like, it's not gonna come out straight. Me looking at myself over and over is me contemplating what the heck is going on. Seriously. Anyways, but I use this powder foundation that I got from the hair store that I use for my makeup, and I use Ghost Bond for the glue. I always use Ghost Bond. I'm gonna switch it up soon because Ghost Bond been embarrassing me, letting me down. But yeah, I know my forehead is pretty big, so I didn't want to carry it too far into my forehead, and I didn't want to leave it too far back. This is here me cutting the lace, but it was still kind of long, so it's it'd be hurting my ear. And then this is me gluing up my. I don't think I'm gonna talk through this long part because this is just me. I'm pretty sure I put 3 layers of glue, but usually always on one side it doesn't glue down. You see this side right here? This side glue down, but the other side, the other side took forever. I had to put so much stuff on it in order for it to glue down. So I usually put 3 layers. Yeah, I don't even know how. Even after I did all of that, when I finally cut the lace, did I cut the lace here? Yeah, no. When I finally cut the lace, I still had to add a little bit more glue to the edges and lift up the other side, that side right there, and still add more glue. So it was whatever. But y'all want to see the finishing look. I'm gonna make the thumbnail and everything. But I'm gonna post this video tomorrow. Today's the 22nd? Yeah, it's the 22nd. So yeah, I'm posting it today. Anyways, so let me just get through here. So right now, this has been laying down the wig, and I was still contemplating. I'm like, what the heck, bro? And I was anxious, to be honest. But I was very anxious. I really hope this video gets a lot of views because I'll be sleeping on Amazon wigs. All my wigs that I've ever bought be from Amazon. Literally, there's nothing wrong with Amazon wigs. It just depends on the seller. Because this wig here is a 13x4, and you know how these other wigs, you know how the other wigs are like the 13x4s usually have. It usually looks like what would I say? A U? I would say like a U. It's not all sides go back 4 inches. Like the sides by the ear go back at least 2 inches. So this one, if you go back to the beginning of the video, you realize it goes all the way back. But yeah, all across. So I really like that for the wig and for me. This part was stressful because this side was not going down. I was struggling with it. I had to just cut that part out. I was struggling with the wig, with that side of the wig. It was not going down. You see how I ended up fully flat ironing the back of the head like at the end of the video because I didn't properly go through and flat iron this. I know I didn't, because what is that? I'm gonna get those flat iron. It's not like that, but cause I'm not gonna lie, in person that looks real big, but yeah, but basically that's what I'm doing. I'm glad I fast forwarded because I would have been talking for a long time. I don't even feel like I'm talking for a long time right now because I'm super tired and I want to sleep. But it takes dedication into these YouTube stuff. So guys, I'm gonna get a camera soon because I'd be recording off my iPad. I don't even mind it because look at me. But at the same time, I kind of do mind it. But I'm gonna make it work. Let me just sit here and give the instructions. I'm not really a wig installer. I do install wigs on people, but I never realized that it low-key depends on the wig type that gets a say in however the wig, not the wig type, the lace type that gets a say in how the wig acts. I would say how it melts and all that. And I see that now because this wig, it's a glueless wig. I'm pretty sure that's why the lace is so good, to be honest, because it's a glueless wig. Okay guys, I was rudely interrupted, but better what I was saying about the wig, the lace types is usually what causes a wig not to lay properly. But I don't know what I'm doing here right now. I should really cut this clip here because I usually cut the parts that I'm really doing a lot of standing. And it's just it's just a lot. I started cutting the laces in 3 sections now because I literally saw on Instagram how somebody didn't cut their lace in 3 sections and their lace was all wrinkled and stuff. But that never really happened to me before. But that happened to somebody. I was doing their wig, but their wig wasn't new. So it's why was your lace doing all of that? Seriously. But it was a used wig, they previously put it on. So this is me nibbing down the edges, talking about lace wear. For a glueless wig, this thing is pretty good here. I recommend. Give 5 stars. I wish this video could go at a faster speed though. Just a young girl trying to make it out the hood right now, trying to make life happen stuff. And it's baddie just came off of work, snatched one wig off, put another wig on. I was dying for a new wig. I hated the wig I had on. I hated how it looked. I hated the style. I like it in a different style, but I hated it in that style. It was just so, it made my head look big. And I know my braids originally weren't that big, but man, that wig had my head looking like a bowling ball. And yeah, I should really cut this out. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I wish I could just skip forward and talk. Like, Apple should have gave me this option. But yeah, it took a lot to do this. Because the wig that I had on, I was crying. I wanted to cry today. My wig was lifting up. I had my hat on for work, and I took it off, and you could see, like, my wig lifting. It was so bad. This girl at my job, she was like, "Oh, that's a wig." And I was like, "Yeah, girl, it's a wig." And I was like, "You thought it was my real hair?" And she was like, I would have thought it. Because she never seen my natural hair before, but honestly, I would have never thought that it would be somebody's natural hair. Because I don't look like the type of person to have all that hair. And, yeah, like, I don't know why I didn't cut this part out either. I'm about to get mad. Because it's a lot of talking, guys. Guys, if you hear me, like, crying in the next clip of me talking, it's because it's too much talking right now. And I'm standing up. There's nothing to demonstrate because I'm freaking standing. And I can't even see myself in the freaking camera. But, I'm going to leave the link for this wig in the description box because I'm pretty sure it's on sale. It's like 5% off. I bought it for $89.99 and plus tax was $96.23. I remember because they freaking charged me twice on my dang account. So, $96.23. That's your price. This wig reminded me of this other wig I had, this burgundy wig I had that I dyed it black because that's how the lace was. But the knots were a little bigger. But, boy, I had to pluck this. I didn't even have to do all that much plucking. That's what I was doing while I was standing up. I was plucking it, to be honest. Yeah, I was plucking that bad boy. Plucking it. Plucking the frick out that wig. Such a hairstylist. Oh my gosh, YouTube, don't delete me. I don't know what to say. I'm just watching myself do what I just did. I'm just like a magician. Dang, imagine if I was bald. Boy, me with no hair? Let's hope that never happened because I could not survive. Could not. But, imagine if I was bald. I could just, look how cute my nose looked from that angle. I should really zoom in. Because my nose and my regular, straightforward, it's ugly. I'm just looking at myself to find stuff to talk about. It took me forever to do these edges. I'm going to cut this clip and come back. Okay, so this is me doing the other side that I was struggling with very badly. I really hope I can hear myself when I play this over. Because if I can't, I'm going to sleep. And I'm saying forget this video and I'll post it without no sound. Deliberately. But, it don't even make no sense saying this. Because if I can't hear myself, y'all won't even know. But, boy, I'm gonna sleep. Yeah. It's just me plucking the other edges. These edges never look the same as the other one. They always look so different. And I don't know if it's because I pulled out a lot, but I was trying to make it look that same way, and it really didn't look the same way. It looked a little thicker. But y'all will see. Y'all gonna see me start plucking, and then I'm gonna cut the clip when I start plucking because that's ghetto. It's very ghetto. It's not ghetto. I don't even know what I'm saying, guys. I'm talking nonsense right now. Real stuff, talking nonsense. But look at me. I look like Curious George. Hey, boy. It's me struggling with my edges again. This video was about to be 66 minutes long, an hour, 5 minutes, and 59 seconds. And I cut it, I sped it up, I did everything I could to this bad boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, watching myself doing this made me want to cry. Anyways, I gotta give y'all instructions so y'all don't mess up like how I be messing up, Alright, y'all finna see another clip of me looking like a baddie. Oh, this is not that clip. This is not that clip. It's the next clip. I have a headache right now just watching this. Wait, did I not speed that video up? No wonder why I was talking for so dang long. Look at me fixing it. Guys, I'm gonna be quiet. I wanted to be flat, but you see this side right here on the right? That side, every time I put the something on it, start rise up like the freaking sun. Yo, when I checked, said flat. That don't flat. That is not flat. It's round. But look at ew. Look at that face I just made when I flat iron my hair. I gotta look good because I'm going out. No, never mind. This wig probably not gonna last me till that weekend. I want it to. I should make it last me. I'm gonna end up curling it so it could last me for that weekend. But the weekend after the next weekend. You see that lace, boy? What lace? So I adjusted it because I didn't like it at first. When I was like in that previous clip trying to figure it out, I didn't like it at first because it was like doing too much. Like I didn't bring the like foundation, concealer, whatever the heck it was that I used to make that part noticeable. I didn't bring it all the way out to the edge of the lace, so it looked ugly and it made my head look long. And I was like contemplating, like, do I want this? Should I just take it off my head? And something told me, don't take it off your head, baby girl. Just adjust it. Yeah, something whispered in my little ear. This is me trying to take a video to go post on Instagram to tell them I got a YouTube video coming up. And then this is the last clip of me that's not sped up, of me trying to look cute and show y'all the lace. And yeah, look at that. Look how crusty my edges. Yeah, that's getting fixed. It's like when I look back at these videos, I'm like, I really took this and didn't notice that was looking like that. Oh wow, I didn't see the wig cap back there. I'm not gonna lie, this hair was like super soft. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check the description box for the link to this wig, okay? Thank you guys. Later.